Okay, we're arriving now down on the B level floor, down to the Skytrain, and you can see there's the doors that open for the Skytrain right there. And we're going to go right to a machine because that's the easiest and fastest way to buy a ticket for the Skytrain. We're going to try and get the rabbit card with money loaded onto it, and see how that goes. As soon as we find a machine. City line. Sir, is the Skytrain this way? Skytrain? Cup. So the city line and the Skytrain seem to be combined now. Haven't heard of the city line before, but apparently they're both right here. And there's the familiar ticket machines. And there's currently no line, so we can just walk right up to one of these ticket booths, get our rabbit card, and be on our way. Skytrain does not have a lot of stops. You can see from here and where we are in the airport, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stops. We're going to go back and start this over in English. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to Makasan. Cancel. Oh, maybe we have to buy a rabbit card over at the booth. Let's go talk to the person at the booth and get a rabbit card.
Change to BTS.
How?
And then change to BTS Kunana.
Yeah. Saudi Cup, do you sell rabbit cards here?
No.
Where do I buy a rabbit card?
You go to Payaha, you change to BTS. You can buy from BTS only, not here.
Oh, is that the Metro, the rabbit card?
Cannot. No. Different line, different company.
Different line. Do you have a card for the Skytrain?
No.
Like,
have one-way ticket only.
Just a ticket, just a coin. Okay, I'm going to get it at the counter. Thanks. Okay, so you cannot get a card for the Skytrain. You can only get a card for the Metro. So we're going to go ahead and do that one way. It's about 35 baht, which is about $1 to get downtown, which is much cheaper than the taxis. And we're going to go to Makasan, one person. Please select the number of tickets and insert the number of baht coins. Notes, 20s, 50s, and 100s. Change comes out down there. Oh, actually, that's your token first. Then your change comes out over here. Now be sure to hang on to this token. I'll show you how to scan it in a minute as soon as we get to the Skytrain. Get a lot of Thai baht coins and change. So yeah, be sure to hold on to this little token because you have to scan it both to get on and to get off the Skytrain. And now we're gonna go this way to find it. So it's that easy. I could have bought the token right there at the booth, but I wanted to show you guys how to use the machine, how easy it is. Just push the English button and it's self-explanatory. Walks you right through the whole process. So tap this little token right there on the black strip, and it takes you right through. Looks like we're gonna just go straight down this escalator to get to the downtown Skytrain. Oh, and there's a train in the station, so we're gonna have to boogie. Looks like there's a train right about to leave. Saw the girl running. And they just blew the whistle. Cup kun cup. And we made it. Just in the nick of time. Alright, hopefully we'll catch the sunrise over downtown with a view from the Skytrain. We'll see you out there in Bangkok.